Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. I'm Nancy, and I'm going to talk this week about birds. That's our theme for this week, and so this week you're going to get a bag like this that has our craft in it. This week we're making a bird feeder to put outside for our fine feathered friends. Don't forget to be reading. Have an adult help you sign up on for our winter reading challenge. It lasts from January 1st through the 31st. You can find out more information about it and how to sign up on our website. You'll also find one of these little cards in your packet probably. But like I said, you can always go to the website if you can't find it. So in your bag, you will get some fun things to do that have to do with birds, how to put this together, a pine cone, it's got a little string on it, some peanut butter, and some bird seed. The one thing that you're going to need is like a plate or a bowl or something to put the seeds in. And then the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your pine cone and you're going to spread some peanut butter all over your pine cone. So just get a nice little helping of peanut butter on your knife or your spoon or something, and then you just spread it all on like this. Now, you can get some in the little nooks and crannies, but make sure you have some on the outside. And you're going to just keep putting the peanut butter all the way around. I'm just going to put just a little bit more on here. Just keep spreading that yummy peanut butter, and you know, if you have a little lick of it now and then, that's okay too, or maybe at the end, save a little for yourself. Probably not this peanut butter though, because it's been sitting, we've had to get it together a little bit early, but if you have some in your cupboard, peanut butter or peanut butter and jelly, birds love it too. For them, it's like candy. So you're just gonna take, once you have peanut butter all over your pine cone, you're gonna pour your seeds onto your plate or your bowl, and then you're just gonna roll your pine cone all over through those seeds until you get them all like that. And then when you're done, it'll look like this. Then take it outside and tie it to a tree limb or branch or something like that, and see how many feathered friends you can find this winter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.